John meet his friends again while on his way back home. They talked about partnership formation. But the question is, what is partnership formation, bonus method, Goodwill method, partnership book, partnership operation, dissolution and liquidation? Partnership formation. A partnership can be formed verbally or written. Partners may contribute cash, non-cash asset or industry. How to record. Cash at fair value, non-cash at agreed value, service based on agreement, and liabilities assumed at fair value or present value. Illustration. Contributions. Jane, cash and non-cash asset, 95,000 pesos. John, cash and non-cash asset, 95,000 pesos. Jake, cash and non-cash asset, 140,000 pesos. Jake is an incoming partner. Partners agreed with an equal capital interest in the partnership. Bonus method is used. Agreed capital. Jane, John, and Jake will have 1/3 capital interest equivalent to 110,000 pesos. Computation using bonus method. Contribution. Jane contributed 95,000 pesos. John contributed 95,000 pesos. Jake contributed 140,000 pesos, for a total of 330,000 pesos contributed capital.
Agreed capital.
The contributed capital before Jake's admission is 190,000 pesos. Jake contributed a total of 140,000 pesos. After Jake's contribution, the partnership capital total is 330,000 pesos. Using the bonus method, our basis for computing the bonus is the total contributed capital, which is the 330,000 pesos. So we will divide 330,000 pesos into 3 to get the equal capital interest. 330,000 pesos divided by 3 is 110,000 pesos. That's how we arrive at 110,000 pesos for each partner. For the adjustment, a bonus of 15,000 pesos each, given to Jane and John by Jake. Goodwill illustration. Jake is an incoming partner. Partners agreed with an equal capital interest in the partnership. Goodwill method is used. Agreed capital. Goodwill method was used. Same illustration, but this time using Goodwill method. Using Goodwill method, our basis of agreed capital will be Jake's capital contribution, which is 140,000 pesos, equivalent to 1/3 capital interest in the partnership. To get the total agreed capital, we will gross up the 140,000 pesos. 140,000 pesos divided by 1/3 capital interest equals 420,000 pesos. We divide it by 1/3 capital interest, because based on partners' agreement, each partner will have an equal capital interest, and 1/3 represents Jake's capital interest. That's how we arrived at 420,000 pesos. For the adjustment, we will record an intangible asset, amounting to 90,000 pesos. An intangible asset is recognized under Goodwill method. Like, share, and subscribe.